good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Like I said, I'm finna keep uploading. The grind don't stop. Yeah, today, finally gonna put in these GTR injectors. I picked them up like 2 days ago. Yeah, so basically for like the past week, like my car has been, it was leaning out. My car was leaning out because the injectors that I have right now, they're not big enough. So I had to upgrade. So these are the GTR injectors, and I'm gonna be throwing these in today and fixing my tune. Because right now I'm on like a base tune right now, and I can't even like go past 6K or it'll make me lean out more. So right now I just pulled up to my tuner's house, and we're gonna go ahead and install the injectors and try to fix the tune. I'm still probably gonna need a dyno tune after, you know, because it will make me gain more. But yeah, so right now I'm about to just put the injectors in and then try to fix the tune. Alright. This is no, that's not big enough. I think I need 12. Oh, they are 10. No. No. Alright guys, so I have the upper and the lower plenum off. They're sitting over there. Now I'm about to pretty much just get to these fuel rails and try to, you know, get to the injectors, take them off and replace them with the new ones. So here we go. Wait, strong size. See, I think I need like a 14, maybe a 14 or 12, 13, 15. It's just so dirty. I'm gonna take the time to clean that off too. There you go. Alright y'all, so I got the fuel rail off, and I'm on my iPhone right now because the GoPro is acting kind of weird. So, but yeah, I got the fuel rail off, and I'm looking at my injectors, and man, these look so bad. Like, this is like, they literally have like, they all have this gunk on it and stuff. I would not recommend using 370Z injectors, you know, like with your, if you're gonna go on E85, like on the DE, do not use these. Just go ahead and spend the more money for bigger injectors, so that way, you know, it'll benefit you, and this most likely won't happen, so. Yeah, I'm waiting for my tuner to come back from the store still, so if you can help me out. I'll probably figure it out how to put on the GTR injectors, how to take those off. So I'm gonna try to figure that out while I wait on him to come back, and then we'll see about getting the car, you know, fixed so it's running right and stuff. Yeah, like I said, like you see how bad all of these are. Just cover it up, like gunk, whatever that is. This is what it should look like. Focus. I mean, but you guys can see the difference between this and then that. Just don't shoot that. Make sure you get the right. Alright guys, so I got the injectors in. to the fuel rail, and I'm gonna be throwing the fuel rail back in, putting everything back together, and then we're gonna get ready and do some logs so that it could be tuned onto the new injectors. So I'll get back to you guys when I get everything back on and we're ready to start driving it. Alright, so we just started it up. He's doing what he needs to do real quick. I'm not sure if we're gonna go for some pools. I might have to come back later because he has somewhere to go. Yep. It sounds better already, to be honest. Back on the popcorn map. Alright guys, well, it's been about a week and a half since I started filming this video. I was gonna be able to be tuned that same day, but like apparently the new injectors needed to be cleaned because, like, I don't know, something with the fuel, like he couldn't put enough like fuel on one side of the engine. So I went and since then I've gotten the injectors cleaned and I changed out the spark plugs. I even fixed my exhaust leaks, oil change, like all that. So like I'm ready this time. Hopefully I can, you know, get the full tune. So I'm just here at my tuner's house now, like I'm waiting for him to come out and so that we could, you know, get the car tuned and running right, because it hasn't been running at its full potential in maybe like a month. It's been like a month. It's been like on our base map. So hopefully we can get it back to 100%. Trying to get that good luck, bro. So.
That's like, there's someone behind you or something?
That's me.
Second gear, buddy. I tell you to stop. That means you're leaning out or something, okay?
Yeah.
Go for it. Everything looks good.
Looks good?
It looks good. Now I have to tune it.
Let's go!
Yeah, it looks good.
Let's go! Do I make a U-turn or keep going?
Just keep driving. We'll come back here for like the final pulls. Let me just make sure it goes. Want me to tune it?
Okay.
Fuck it, we're gonna pull right here. As soon as the road is level, you see how it goes down?
Oh, yeah.
Once it's level, then do it.
Okay.
Remember, if I go like this, that means stop.
Alright.
Just look for my hand. Make sure there's no pipes.
Something running in the street. Ready?
What is that? It's a big fucking monster.
I go?
Yeah. Still rich. Take more fuel out. Very good. Let's get around 4,200 RPM, then launch there, right?
Okay.
Remember, no hesitation. Once you're forward all the way.
Alright.
I'm trying to regular rev them. They're just gonna go bum 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 bum. It's not gonna go pop pop.
I like that though.
Oh, you like it like that? Okay. I'll put it back. But just so that way I know. Just remind me.
That's the custom one, right?
That's custom rev. Yeah, because when I saw the rev limit, I was like, damn, that's the old side. I don't even do that anymore.
Wait, so it sounds different?
Sounds totally different.
I guess I'll see the difference right now.
It's gonna rev normal. Like, oh, dun 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 dun.
Oh, it's gonna sound like Need for Speed or something, bro. Second gear, right?
Yeah.
pretty much finished up the tune, and the car is feeling like super smooth. It feels pretty quick. I was talking to my tuner, and we were gonna set up a dyno day, which is gonna be this Friday or Friday morning. So I'm most likely gonna be going through with that, you know, to get the full power, because right now it is a street tune on a new injector. So I really want to get, you know, the full power out of my car. So I'll most likely be going. So yeah. So I'll just be giving you guys some more pulls and stuff on my way home. Hope you guys liked the video. Like, sub, and, you know, comment. And I'm out.